Scene 1, take 35, action!
Hey, Chef and Chefettes!
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby!
Ooh.
Yeehaw! Ooh, y'all like that? Y'all like that?
Ooh, you turned into a cowboy, huh?
I's not a cowboy.
Oh, you're not?
I's a thief.
Ooh, what's your thief?
Don't worry about that. Guys, today we got a special video for you. Today we are doing a collab with... That's your cue.
MTTV!
What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Oh my God. Somebody shoot me! Somebody fucking shoot me! Kill. Today we are doing a collab with MRTV. Guys,
that's what I said!
Shut up. Just get out the video. Just get out the video. Guys, if you don't know MRTV, I'm going to put the link in the description. It's our great friends, Maria
and Cowboy Playboy! That's my boy!
Oh, you
Sorry. That's my boy.
You get a little extra excited there.
Sorry.
He married, you know.
I know, to my girl Maria.
You get a little extra excited.
That's my girl Maria. She be having him on point.
Oh,
I know. I just couldn't get their name together, but yeah, I know my people.
What you said? M to the R?
I just couldn't. Sorry, I couldn't get y'all name together, y'all title, but Maria girl, you already know what it is.
Guys, so for today, this collaboration video, we're both gonna be making a lamb chop recipe.
So excited.
Ooh, I just love me some lamb. And guys, oh, that's not it. We are doing a side. Guys, so if you want to see what side we're making with our lamb chops, you got to watch to the end. And if they want to see what MRTV's making, what they got to do?
They got to tune into their channel.
And click the link below. All right, guys, it's about to go down.
Favorite girl is back with the ingredients.
Don't mess this up.
Don't listen to him. Ignore the background noise, guys. But before we jump in, guys, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, whoever's new, make sure you like and subscribe. Bring a friend, tell a friend. Stay tuned because we got something great in store to tell you guys, all right? Today we're making some garlic jerk lamb chops, guys, with a side. Ready? Jumping right into it.
Ready.
Right, so for our garlic jerk lamb chops, we need lamb chops, guys, right? So we have about 1.5 pounds of shoulder lamb chops. Washed, cleaned. Setting this aside. Let's put it over here.
All right.
We have 1 tablespoon of jerk sauce. We have fresh rosemary. We have 4 garlic cloves right here.
Mm-hmm.
We have a teaspoon of salt. Why? Because we want no high cholesterol, guys. All right, that's why. We have a tablespoon of some garlic. Why? Because we're making garlic jerk pork, right? I mean, lamb chops.
Excuse me.
Hey.
That's not garlic. You have fresh garlic. That's onion.
Onion. Silly me.
Totally.
And a tablespoon of onion. Silly me. And a tablespoon of black pepper. Ooh, that's so good to have an assistant.
Yeah. You on strike 2.
Ooh.
Yep.
I wonder what happens if I get to strike 3.
I'm gonna fire you.
You can't fire the chef. It's
Totally.
like impossible.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, guys. Listen. So we have a side. We're gonna make asparagus, guys.
Ooh, can I tell him?
Tell him,
Because
please,
I'm a little nervous you mess it up.
Please.
Guys.
You are so disrespectful on so many levels. Just tell them.
Guys.
This over.
So our side is going to be bacon Parmesan asparagus. Did I get that right? Did I get that right?
Yeah.
Let me say that again. Bacon Parmesan asparagus. Okay, you can tell them the ingredients, Vanna.
Thank you. You know what? I'm just gonna hold it up.
Nah.
Let's do a team.
Nah, I don't feel like it.
We have Parmesan here.
How much?
Tell them, please.
No, I don't do what you tell me. Hurry up.
A tablespoon
Awesome, good job.
of Parmesan. All right. We have a tablespoon of. You want to try?
Nah, I want to see if you get it right.
Garlic
Powder.
powder. We have a teaspoon of black pepper.
You doing a bang up job.
We have fresh asparagus, guys, and we have bacon. And that's all you're going to need, guys. So stay tuned to see what we do next.
Hey, chefs and chefettes. I hope you guys hit that like and subscribe button. If you like this recipe, if we made you laugh, give us a like and a subscribe. So guys, what we did next was we patted our lamb chops dry. You want to make sure it's really dry before you season it. So take a rag, take some Bounty, take whatever you got, pat it dry. So we took a 1/4 cup of olive oil. We combined all our ingredients except the garlic. We combined our rosemary, our onion powder, our salt, our black pepper, and our jerk seasoning with olive oil. We mixed it around, and now we're gonna season these bad boys on both sides. So come close. Ooh, it smells amazing. Look at that. Oh God, I wish you guys could smell this. This garlic jerk lamb chops is gonna be amazing. My mouth is watering. I am drooling. Don't worry about my camera woman. She's shy today. So guys,
I am not shy. I am not shy.
I forget you're there, you know.
Really?
So guys,
me looking so sexy? You forget I'm here? I feel some type of way, you know. Why your face looking like that?
how my face look?
Screw up and stuff.
Now this is screw up.
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
Guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush both sides with our seasoning, and then I'm gonna show you what we do next.
Hey, chef and cheferettes. Guys, it's seasoned, pan is hot. We're ready to throw these bad boys in. But before we do, boom, we taking some butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. There's a little extra.
Excuse me.
Hey.
I say parquet.
We're taking 2 tablespoons of parquet. Because that's what we have. Okay? And we're going to put that in here.
God.
Okay?
Somebody shoot me.
But
Please.
if you ain't got parquet,
Use margarine.
use margarine.
I can't believe it's not butter.
I can't believe it's not butter. You could even use unsalted butter, guys. You hear that?
We hear it.
That's sizzling.
Yes.
Guys, make sure you let your butter melt all the way down before you put in your lamb chop. Okay? You don't want You don't want all this clump of butter, margarine, lard all over your lamb.
I like your grandma sweater, you know.
First of all, this is Fashion Nova, okay? This is not a grandma sweater.
I like your granny
This is a Fashion Nova
Ooh,
attire.
that granny sweater looking cute.
It's so comfortable.
Yeah,
I love
yeah.
it. While that is heating up, let me show you guys something. I'm gonna take my garlic, the back of my knife, and I'm just going to open this up real quick, real nice, real quick. Press it down.
2 hours later.
Sorry.
2 weeks later.
First of all, they all done. All right. Please don't cut them up. Leave them up just like that. Just like that. And let's take our bad boy. Oh, I think this one's the fattest. You think so? Oh my God, yes. I'll just put one in there. Maybe I can put 2. 1, 2? Just put 1.
Yeah, I think 1's good.
And throw these garlics all around it.
Oh. Guys,
Guys, we're gonna cook each side for about 5 to 7 minutes, all right? And then I'm gonna show you what it's looking like. So stay tuned.
hey, chefs and chefettes, did you guys hit that subscribe button yet? Guys, the lamb chops are on the stove and it's cooking. And while the lamb chops are cooking, we're making our side. What are we making, Hammer Woman?
Garlic Parmesan Asparagus. Bacon wrapped garlic Parmesan Asparagus.
Man, that's strike 3, man. Guys.
Hey. What happens if I get strike 3?
Shh. Guys, shoot me an email if you want to co-host with me because it is strike 3 and Chef Sam has just been fired.
So
guess what?
You can't fire the chef. Hello.
You and Mr. 45,
Who's that?
the last president, can go golf
Oh.
in Florida. Y'all fired.
I ain't going with him.
Shucks, man. Guys, so on to the next step. So our lamb chops is cooking. We're gonna prep our bacon parmesan asparagus. First thing you're gonna do is cut off the ends. You have to cut off the ends of your asparagus. Can you guys see me?
Yep.
Ends cut off.
Ooh.
So we're gonna do 2 at a time. You can do 3 depending on the size of your bacon or how much you wanna eat at a time. We're gonna do 2. So we're gonna take our asparagus, line it up right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna moisten your asparagus. If you can use water, but we're gonna use olive oil. Olive oil is gonna give it a better flavor. Can y'all see?
We're gonna come in a little close just to
Please do.
see what's going on
So
here.
you see right there, I brushed on a little olive oil on our asparagus.
We see where you got some bacon laying down flat. Is that a little trick or something?
Cause it's bacon wrapped asparagus.
Is it easier to wrap it that way instead of holding it up in the air?
Well, it's my preference. I think it is. I mean, if you got another way to do it, please do. But this is the way I'm gonna do it.
I like it that way.
I'm going to sprinkle my black pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle my garlic. And now we're gonna sprinkle the Parmesan cheese. Guys, so after you sprinkle this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll it right up. And then I'm gonna show you what we do next.
Guys, I put some olive oil, drizzle some olive oil, see that?
Can you put a little more energy?
What do you mean?
You're looking half dead, you know.
Don't worry about me. I put some olive oil in my pan, all right, guys? It's nice and hot. I have it on medium heat. Look at my bacon wrapped asparagus.
Let me see them bacon wrap. Ooh, baby. All right.
See that? Let's throw these bad boys right in there. Right? What's this? It's sizzling. Can you hear me?
Lips, yeah, sizzling.
Don't speak, listen.
I'm sorry. It's sizzling now.
Right. You just have to don't talk over my
I sorry.
and then you can hear it.
Sorry, Chef Sam.
Oh, thank you.
Don't beat me.
I should, because you're busy.
Again?
Guys.
Yeah.
Yo. You know what? Yes, I have 3 strikes, right? But he don't have to fire me. Because I quit!
Oh, God. Oh, shoot. What the? Ooh.
I quit! Alright. After the scene, I quit.
Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. I thought I was going to have to hire somebody.
No, after the scene, I quit. Because I want this asparagus. Alright. Guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cook these. Can you see? Look.
We can see.
I'm going to cook these bacon wrapped asparagus for about 3 to 4 minutes, turning periodically because I don't want them to burn, right? I'm gonna cook them until the bacon is nice and golden brown because I don't want the bacon to be too crisp and overcooked, and I don't want it too soggy, right? I'm gonna cook it and turn it and cook it and turn it, and that's it, guys. And once it's golden brown, I'm gonna take it right out and I'm gonna show you what everything is looking like together. Hey, chef and chefettes.
YouTube.
Finished product is done.
Finito. Take a look. Ooh, look at these garlic jerk pork chops. What you got there, boo?
Got some bacon wrapped asparagus.
With?
Parmesan.
I forgot I fired you. Okay. Guys, make it!
I can't wait to taste this. But before we taste it,
Now I want to taste it first.
thumbnail! Love that.
Let's taste it. Come on. My hand's full.
Tell me.
Woo! Ooh, that.
Banging.
Woo! Damn. It got a kick.
You got a kick? Let me see.
That jerk ain't no joke.
Ooh. Ooh.
You struggling.
I is struggling.
Go ahead. Do your thing.
I can't do my thing.
Do your thing. There you go. That jerk ain't no joke.
Wow. That is good.
Yo, guys, I give this 2 thumbs up.
That is damn good.
Guys, I hope you like this.
Wait. Let me do that. This is good.
You finished?
Yeah, I'm good.
I would taste that, but it looked like you ate the whole thing. Guys, I hope you like this recipe, this garlic jerk lamb chops and bacon wrapped Parmesan asparagus. Guys, don't forget, go over to MRTV's page. Check out their lamb chops recipe and see what side. I want y'all to come back. Drop a comment below. Let us know what side MRTV's making.
Yes.
Because this is a collab and it's going down. And it's nothing but banging recipes from us both.
Yes, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to both of us, guys.
Yeah. Guys, make it. And that's it. And we are